Here are 6 things you didn't know about the Mark II Audi TT. Number 1. The battery is located in the hatch, underneath the cargo tray. If you look under the hood of your Audi TT and saw this big empty space, you might be scratching your head wondering where the battery has gone. It is actually located in the rear passenger side of the hatch. If you need to jump your battery, you don't have to access it through the rear though. Under the hood is a positive lead from the battery and a ground. Connect your jumper cables here. Number 2. There is no spare tire. Audi did not include a spare tire in the first or second gen Audi TT for weight saving. You could add your own, but you'll need a low profile donut with the appropriate uninflated tire mounted to it. Together that will set you back around $600. However, if you have a 3rd gen Audi TT, it does have a spare. Hoorah! Number 3. Automatic headlight washer nozzles. If you were wondering where that other spray came from when you were using your windshield wiper fluid, that would be the nozzles spraying your headlights. If you don't want wiper fluid on your headlights and covering your entire hood in the process, then don't use auto mode for your headlights. Use the on position and the fluid will not spray the headlights. Speaking of the auto option, the daytime running lights don't turn off when using auto, so don't leave your car in that mode unless you want a dead battery when you return. Number 4. Sport mode. If you were wondering what that letter S is for on your shifter, that is sport mode. The car will hit its maximum safe RPMs in each gear. Number 5. Highway efficiency. This TT is rated at 22 miles per gallon city and 31 miles per gallon highway. Surprisingly, those numbers are usually spot on. What's even better is on highway trips, you can get significantly higher MPGs. My highest average I've gone on the highway is 40 miles per gallon. Number 6. Quattro. The Audi TT Quattro is not all-wheel drive all the time. Only when the car detects 15 or more degrees of slip will power be sent to the rear wheels, up to 50%. Don't think you'll be able to get out of the snow unless you start drifting to the side first. So there you have it, 6 things you didn't know about the Mark II Audi TT. Have any questions or comments? Leave them below.